here we are, Instapot, Kraft mac and cheese, milk. So we are making Kraft mac and cheese for the first time in the Instapot. And I'm going by the directions I found on the internets. And I will leave that link in the description. So we'll come back in about 4 minutes or so. It'll be 4 minutes after it comes to pressure. And then we will see how it looks and finish it off. Oh, it is done. The recipe says that it's not a natural release, but it has to be a quick release right away. My stuff like that. Oh, all right. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Oh, I don't know if my noodles are. Ooh, this might be a fail. Yeah. Oh no! What we got? The noodles stuck to each other. Oh well. Well, let me see if this is salvageable. Nope. Alright, well, so after mixing it and adding the milk and the butter, other than I got a bunch of noodles still stuck to the bottom, it looks like mac and cheese. So, okay, we will taste it in a moment. Well, this is what's stuck to the bottom. And I got that much in a bowl. But it does, the noodles do taste like they're cooked. And you know, obviously it's mac and cheese. It tastes like boxed mac and cheese. So maybe leave in comments how I can prevent this in the future. Because it definitely was way faster than cooking it on stove. So, alright, as all I have, I'm going to enjoy my mac and cheese.